Today, we're going to explore how to make $1,000 per week on YouTube using viral ideas. These methods will help you identify trending topics and create content that attracts more viewers, increasing your chances of successful monetization. Hey guys, Henry here from EasyTube Profits. We're dedicated to helping you make money on YouTube, even before you're monetized. We share tips and tricks, do review videos, and explore different strategies to boost your earnings. If that sounds interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's get started. Google Trends. One of the most powerful tools at your disposal is Google Trends. To use Google Trends, go to trends.google.com. Enter keywords related to your niche in the search bar. You can explore the Trending Searches section to see what's currently hot. Use filters to narrow down by region, category, and time period. This will help you see what's trending in specific areas and time frames. By keeping an eye on these trends, you can create content that is timely and relevant. YouTube Trending tab. Next up is the YouTube Trending tab. Open YouTube and click on the Trending tab on the left sidebar. Here, you'll find a curated list of videos that are currently popular on the platform. Browse through these videos to identify common themes and popular formats. Take note of the titles, thumbnails, and content types. Understanding what's capturing the audience's attention will help you create similar content that resonates with viewers. Social media hashtags. Social media platforms are treasure troves for trending topics. On Twitter, click on the Explore tab and then Trending to see the latest hashtags. On Instagram, go to the search bar, type a relevant keyword, and look at the related hashtags that pop up. On TikTok, click on the Discover tab to see trending hashtags and sounds. Use these hashtags in your own posts to increase visibility. Additionally, explore the content under these hashtags to generate video ideas. Reddit. Reddit is another excellent source for finding viral content ideas. Visit reddit.com and search for subreddits related to your niche. For example, if you're into digital marketing, you might check out r/marketing. Browse the hot and rising sections to see what posts are gaining popularity. Participate in discussions to get deeper insights into what the community finds interesting. This can spark new ideas for your videos. Google Alerts. Setting up Google Alerts is a simple yet effective way to stay updated on trending topics. Go to google.com/alerts. Enter keywords related to your niche. Set the frequency, sources, and regions for alerts. You'll receive notifications in your email about the latest news and trending topics. This helps you stay ahead of the curve and create content that is timely and relevant. Quora. Quora is a platform where people ask questions and get answers from the community. Visit Quora.com and search for topics related to your niche. Browse the questions and answers to see what issues people are discussing. Popular questions often indicate topics that a wide audience is interested in. Use these questions as inspiration for your video content. Pinterest Trends. Pinterest Trends can provide valuable insights into what's trending in your niche. Visit trends.pinterest.com. Enter keywords related to your niche. explore the trend graphs to see the popularity of these topics over time. This data can help you create content that aligns with rising trends and attracts more viewers. Competitor analysis. Analyzing your competitors can give you a wealth of information on what's working in your niche. Identify your main competitors on YouTube. Use tools like Social Blade to track their channel statistics. Analyze their most viewed videos and note down common themes and content types. Creating similar or improved content based on these successful videos can help you capture a larger audience. YouTube comment sections. The comment sections on YouTube videos are goldmines for content ideas. Pay attention to the comments on your own videos and on popular videos in your niche. Identify common questions, suggestions, and feedback from viewers. Use these insights to create videos that address these comments and questions. This not only provides value to your audience, but also builds engagement. Twitter/X. Twitter, now also known as X, is another fantastic platform to find trending topics. To use Twitter effectively, go to twitter.com and click on the Explore tab. Check out the trending section to see the latest trending hashtags and topics. You can also search for keywords related to your niche and see what people are talking about. Engage in conversations and follow influencers in your field to stay updated on the latest trends. By leveraging these free methods, you can consistently find trending topics and create viral video content that attracts a larger audience. This will increase your chances of making $1,000 per week on YouTube. Now, let's go into a bit more detail on how to use each method effectively. For Google Trends, besides looking at the trending searches, you can also compare the popularity of different keywords over time. This helps you understand which topics are gaining traction and which ones are declining. Creating content around rising topics can significantly boost your video's visibility. When using the YouTube Trending tab, pay attention to the engagement metrics, like views, likes, and comments. Videos with high engagement are usually more successful in attracting and retaining viewers. Try to emulate the elements that make these videos engaging, such as interesting thumbnails, compelling titles, and captivating content. For social media hashtags, it's crucial to stay active and participate in trending conversations. Posting your own content with trending hashtags can increase its reach. However, make sure the hashtags are relevant to your content to avoid being seen as spammy. On Reddit, you can also use the search function to find posts that mention your keywords. This can give you a broader view of what's being discussed and what people are interested in. Upvoted posts often reflect popular opinions and interests within the community. Google Alerts can be customized to deliver the most relevant information. Set up multiple alerts for different aspects of your niche to get a comprehensive view of the trending topics. This ensures you don't miss out on any important developments. When browsing Quora, look for questions with a high number of upvotes and answers. These questions usually represent topics that a lot of people are curious about. Providing answers to these questions in your videos can attract viewers who are searching for solutions. Pinterest Trends allows you to explore seasonal trends, which can be particularly useful for planning content in advance. Creating videos around seasonal topics can attract viewers looking for timely and relevant content. In competitor analysis, besides looking at successful videos, also take note of the comments. Viewers often share what they liked or disliked about the video, giving you insights on how to improve your own content. Using YouTube comment sections effectively means engaging with your audience. Respond to comments and ask for feedback or suggestions for future videos. This not only gives you content ideas, but also builds a loyal community around your channel. Twitter X can be a bit fast-paced, so it's important to stay active and monitor the trends regularly. Engaging with trending topics in real time can increase your content's visibility and relevance. Practical advice for achieving this goal. To achieve the goal of making $1,000 per week on YouTube, consistency is key. Upload videos regularly to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords to improve discoverability. Create compelling thumbnails that grab attention and encourage clicks. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and asking for their input on future videos. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche to reach a wider audience. Promote your videos on social media and other platforms to drive traffic to your channel. Analyze your video performance using YouTube Analytics to understand what works and what doesn't. Focus on creating high-quality content that provides value to your viewers. By following these strategies and leveraging the methods we discussed, you can increase your chances of making $1,000 per week on YouTube. If you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not share? And also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. Just so you know, on the top left-hand side of the screen, you will see a video that I believe you might like. Below that is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And if you look on the right side of the screen, you'll see an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.